In today's video I'll show you how to check console serial number on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Serial Numbers and select this. You'll now see the console serial number at the top, as well as the numbers for the controllers and battery. That's how to check console serial number on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.